Welcome guys, this is Y6P 2020 model. Today we will replace LCD panel. Eject SIM tray. Remove back cover of phone. Remove with carefully because fingerprint scanner is attached with back cover. Do not damage fingerprint scanner flex. Remove screws from plastic protection cover on main board. Remove plastic protection cover. Disconnect fingerprint scanner flex connector from main board. Disconnect battery connector. Keep phone on glass separator for softness of battery, then you can easily remove the battery. Now pull out, remove the battery. Disconnect LCD display flex and free flex from the body. Apply heat on LCD panel. Must shake heat gun around the LCD, and do not stop heat gun on any one place of the LCD. This is tutorial if you want to replace the glass. This is also your practice. You should do. Now with blade make space between LCD glass and body. If you have small pieces of broken glass you can remove with blade. Remove LCD panel with X-ray. X-ray should be under of the LCD, not under of the glass. Do not damage LCD display flex while removing LCD panel, if you want to replace the glass. Now clean place of the LCD panel around inside the body. Remove protection paper sheet from behind the new LCD panel. Apply gum on around LCD glass. Do not apply gum on the place of front camera. Install LCD panel in the body. Connect LCD display flex with the main board. Install battery in the body. And connect battery connector. Connect fingerprint scanner flex connector with the main board. Install plastic protection cover on the main board. Put back all the screws. Install back cover of phone. Insert SIM tray in the phone. In the end must use rubber bands for good fitting. Remove rubber bands after 2 hours. Power on phone, check display and touch. All you have done successfully. Thank you for watching.